Hey everyone, my name is Lek Kamaj, VP of EMP Corp. This week we're in Dayton, Ohio at Olwin Metal Fabrication, setting up, calibrating and tuning a tube laser.
I'm Derek Olwin, founder and president of Olwin Metal Fab. We offer welding and fabrication for weldments up to 40,000 pounds, heavy plate forming, 5-axis plasma cutting, now tube laser. A few years ago, we saw the need for a fabrication shop that could cater to other fabricators and understood what they needed from a tube laser. EMP was recommended to us by a colleague. He highly recommended them for training. They've come in and we've been extremely satisfied with the services that they've offered.
Every laser install comes with its own set of challenges, and this one was no exception. From laser source issues and software glitches to mechanical backlash concerns, we've seen it all, and we know exactly how to handle it. We jumped in with CAD design, training, modeling, tube simulations, testing of critical components, and even a step-by-step maintenance plan for the employees to follow. The result, a fully operational laser system and a confident team ready to make it run. But we don't stop at working. Every machine we install goes through a rigorous testing process. We use thermal imaging to detect any potential hotspots in wiring cabinets and servo drives. We verify voltage at every critical endpoint. Nothing is left to chance. This laser wasn't purchased from us, but it's still something that we're happy to service, happy to train on, happy to calibrate as well.
EMP is very, very responsive. They had somebody at our shop in less than a week for training, which is pretty much unheard of. Very knowledgeable, very resourceful. Really can't recommend them enough.
If you do have a laser, tube laser, sheet laser, laser welder, give us a call, reach out to us. We're more than happy to service your machine, train you on your machine, or help you calibrate it.
Looking forward to partnering with EMP on this laser and other future laser purchases.
Safety, precision, and professionalism are what we strive for on every laser install here at EMP Corp.